It's been 4 decades of a long journey, but now the Voyager 2 spacecraft has finally bid farewell to our solar system, and it's entered the realm of the unknown. Well, it launched to explore the far reaches of the sun's orbit. It's the only probe ever to visit Uranus and Neptune, and it becomes only the second human-made object to enter interstellar space. Luke Barber has that story.
To infinity and beyond. That is the fate of NASA's Voyager 2 probe, which left Earth in 1977. After more than 41 years floating through space, it has become only the second human-made object to leave the solar system. Now more than 18 billion kilometers away, it no longer feels the solar wind that characterizes the heliosphere, a protective bubble of particles and magnetic field created by the sun. After crossing the edge of the sphere, which extends beyond the orbit of Pluto, the probe will now drift eternally through this new, unexplored domain of interstellar space.
I think it was always a dream, but not something that they necessarily thought they could get accomplished. I mean, think about this. These spacecraft have been flying for 41 years. They're both still operating. The original mission was a 4-year mission to Jupiter and Saturn. Voyager 2 was fortunate enough to be able to go not only to Jupiter and Saturn, but also to Uranus and Neptune, and continue on another 28 years past that point, past that Neptune encounter, to reach it now out into interstellar space.
The craft leaves the heliosphere 6 years after its sister probe, Voyager 1. Launched to examine the outer planets, Voyager 2 encountered Jupiter and Saturn, and is the only spacecraft to study the ice giants Uranus and Neptune on its journey. The pair's plutonium power sources will eventually stop supplying electricity, at which point their instruments and their 20-watt transmitters will die. Then they will drift forever through the space between the stars.